Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to work with an image that has multiple colors. I'm going to click Upload Images. Click Upload Image. Click Browse. And then I've got this wolf JPEG file that we talked about earlier. I'm going to click Open. And since it has multiple colors, I'm going to click Complex Image, and I'm going to click Continue. And again, I want to increase the size, so I'm going to zoom in, make it a little bit easier to work with. I'm going to select my Select and Erase tool, and I want to start by clicking on the white areas outside the circle, because you don't really want those to be part of the design. You want to just have the circle design instead of having the whole square with that white included. Depending on what it is that you're doing with it, if you're putting it on like a tumbler that's clear, you might want to get rid of the white that's on the wolf itself. If you're putting it on something like what you had talked about, like a maroon shirt, then that's going to look funny if you get rid of the white on the wolf. So you probably don't want to do that in that type of situation, but just to show you how it would work, I'm going to go ahead and click on the white on the wolf to get rid of it. I'm going to also try to see if it'll work for me to click on the teeth, and the nose, and the eye area. Now you can do this with other colors too, like I could click on the blue here in the basketball if I wanted, but we really don't want to do that. We want to have that blue color, so I'm going to click back to undo that. And then again, going to click on the preview button so that you can see what this looks like now that we've gotten rid of the white. Now, as you can see, it doesn't look very pretty. This isn't something that you would want to put on anything for anyone if you're cutting out vinyl. Although we've gotten rid of all the white, it's just kind of an ugly circle with this, little bit of the white on the wolf that's missing from the center. So I'm going to unclick the preview so that you can see it again. Really, the only thing at this point that we could do with it is we could do a print and cut. So if you're wanting to put something, let's say you're wanting to do like a sticker with the Cricut print and cut vinyl, then you could do that and it would look fine. But if you're wanting to use just regular Oracle vinyl, it's really not going to look very good doing it this way. So if you did want to do the print and cut, then you could click Continue. You would select the Save as Print and Cut and then click on Save. So next though, I'm going to show you how we could use the same image differently in Inkscape and actually have the separate layers for the different colors, because right now since this is a JPEG file and not an SVG file, the Cricut Design Space, it's not recognizing those different colors. It's seeing the blue, the gray, and the black all as one single color, and that's why it's coming out as just a circle all together instead of the different color layers.